spark at the beginning of this report. Here it is performing in the air. It is a joint Pakistani-Chinese lightweight fighter. Development started back in 1999 and the Chinese prototype first flew in 2003, while a Pakistani prototype with a slightly modified design first took to the sky in 2006. It can be armed with over 3 tons of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, the latter both guided and unguided. The aircraft entered service with the Pakistani Air Force in 2010 with the Black Spider Squadron, which this aircraft belongs to. Pakistan currently has 150 JF-17s on order, with a possible increase to 250. It is also being considered by the air forces of Egypt, Azerbaijan, Sudan, Zimbabwe, Iran, Bangladesh and Nigeria. Exports may be helped if the ongoing negotiations with European avionics manufacturers are successful. In China, the aircraft is designated FC-1 and is still under evaluation to assess its usefulness to the Air Force.
Gerçekten kameralarımıza yakışan harika görüntüler. Burada olmayan operational solos, you will get cortical corresponding one after another in a perfect sequence. You will witness a fantastic show full of adrenaline. Yes, from